going to break down support and resistance as easy as possible for you to make sure you know the right areas to mark up. We're going to build off of that last video of identifying trends and patterns to look for. So if you haven't watched that, go watch that last video and let's dive into this one. So support and resistance is not these lines. All right. This is some support and resistance that many people look at, retail traders, and I'm going to show you why this doesn't work. Let me zoom out real quick. So first thing you need to know the trend of the market. And like I said in that last video, we are in an overall uptrend. Although it is choppy back and forth, the general flow of the market is rising. So we are looking for price to continue up higher through these lines, not hit these lines and reverse, right? We don't care about double tops, triple tops, bottoms, whatever. That's not what we're trading here. What we're trading is flow of the price and being able to predict almost to the spot the general flow of price. So what support and resistance levels are we looking to target? Sorry, I said resistance like 3 times. I don't know, could not say it. So again, right here, retail would be looking for support. Guess what happened? Broke through, went up. They thought it was support, punched through. Now, what support would I have drawn up? Well, this black bar right here is an order block, or if you want to be more technical, propulsion block. Basically, in an uptrend, this down close candle, price went back up above it, right? So we use this giant candle as an order block. Kind of what I did on the daily to show you price was going to pull down and usually to that 50% area of that order block. And guess what? Price went down. We had that giant wick and now price is looking to go up. I would like to see it come back up here. So this is my support right here. Now, what are these lines, right? These are where I want price to go through. And as you see, that first one I had marked up this morning, price went right through that. Or it was, Monday, sorry. Went right through that and then sold off. So people are thinking this is support, right? And we're going to continue on going all the way through, maybe down to this support or this support, I don't know. Whatever they're marking up, right? I believe we're going up to these red lines, certainly past this high. Maybe not this week, but into next week. So these are the support and resistance you're looking for. Another example is if you come through here, we're on a short-term downtrend. So I would be looking for sales, right? We have this order block. Price pierced through it. Body's respected. We went down. Now, once price broke above this high, here, there is no more shorts. We are back in continuing our bullish overall trend. So, now that price broke through this, right? This is where we created our support for that next section of price. You can do it over and over again. So if you don't want to use order blocks, the other areas of support and resistance are fair value gaps. So here, it's not the best, but you could see price came in, got supported in this zone. That's the key. We're looking for zones. We're not looking for an exact price. And it bounced off. I was looking for it to break up here. Never did. So it dropped back down, right? We would have took partials and closed this trade by now. you could see this order block was respected, bounced back up, looking to break above here. We did not. So those having two failed runs going up to the buy side, you could almost guarantee that price is now going to switch to that short-term downtrend. And that is exactly what we did. So once we got through this area, you'd be looking for sales. Well, what do you see here? Never got reached. Kind of supported here. So we broke through, came back in. And plus we had, like I said, we broke through this, so we shifted to bullish, so that we wouldn't even be looking at that anymore. We're back to looking at these zones. Zooming out to the daily, you could see it play out over and over again. Order blocks, these two down close candles in this uptrend. Respected. Down close candle in this uptrend. Respected. Now the hard part about this is, yes, this is a support area, but you may have got chopped up on the lower time frames in all of this. So once you see on the daily that we pushed through this chop and we broke out of this zone, that is a hint that we're going to start doing some runs. Although these wicks, you know, on the day scale, this looks like a price went up, down, or down, then up, right? So there's patience involved. This is not something that you just automatically guarantee. Now, if you just want to set orders, put a stop loss below it, and just forget about it, so be it, right? You're in pretty good hands if you just trade this setup, but you got to keep in mind, not everything is going to be, as soon as it taps it, it takes off. You can see it took a while for this to pay off as a proper trade. And if we carry on, we go to this last down close, respected again. You also keep in mind, you want price to come in here and then leave. Now, depending on when you got in on this trade, you may have got taken out only for price to go back and run. So you need to have a setup and rules on the lower time frames to go hand in hand with these support and resistance areas. If you want to learn about the top 10 trading mistakes traders make and that make 90% of traders fail, click that link in our description, get that free ebook, and we'll also email you our free mini course that goes along with that ebook and helps to break down these mistakes, how to avoid them, and get you to that next level in your trading. Forexation is here to help you find your trading edge. Go to theforexation.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that thumbs up button. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.